Hi, my name's Dr. Alex Alterskye, lecturer in entrepreneurship here at the University of York. I'm just here to talk to you very briefly about the MSc in Entrepreneurship and Innovation Management. This is an exciting new master's programme and it's designed to help you as a student navigate and make a change in the grand challenges in business or society through innovation or entrepreneurship. The fantastic thing about this programme is that we're really well connected to the local and national and international entrepreneurial ecosystem around the University of York. The students have been working on some exciting projects with companies and employers. They've worked with a company in designing a new chocolate bar product, which they brought to market and saw it manufactured. They've been working with an incubator centre in delivering the innovation strategy for that centre. They've also been working with a large employer looking at the entrepreneurial managerial mindset that employer is looking for and how this can be used in their future careers. We're really well connected with the local entrepreneurial ecosystem, and we have, for instance, in the university, a part of the university called Enterprise Works that connects students with employers throughout the programme. This is a really exciting time to be doing entrepreneurship and innovation at the University of York and taking advantage of all the work-based and employability opportunities that are available. I hope you can join us.